A quick way to import batches of photos into Google Slides. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Google Slides and at the top, click on Extensions. In Extensions, you'll find add-ons and I've added photos to slides. Click on it and then click on Select Photos. After that, it will show you this kind of screen. Click on Photos. If your photos are in the Photos app, you will find all the app photos. Select the photos you want to drop and press on Done at the top right. After you have pressed on Done at the top right, simply go back to Google Slides tab and it will import all the photos you selected in this way. And this is a quick way to import batches of photos into Google Slides. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.